Hey guys, just working on a 98 450 here. I just did an oil change and service on it, and when I ran the bike outside, it was low oil or overheating light was on. It was kind of come on dim and then go bright and so on, and eventually it would turn off and come back on. Anyways, I had a CDI box. It's a CDI and a fan control module in one, I guess. And anyways, I just switched it over on this bike, and like out and everything's working like it should. So I've seen a lot of guys on there that just did oil changes and then the oil leak come on for no reason. This seems to be it for whatever deal. Now after I did my oil change, I took it out and I spray-nined it and sprayed down the bike, and I don't know if maybe it was just some water in the plug, or it seems to be, when I'm Googling it seems to be a problem, so hopefully this helps you.
Where's that?
Right?
Where is it? Where is this part located?
It's just located up under the front of the bike here. There's two boxes there. It's the one on the one on the left. My clip's on right next to this one. There's two boxes, and it's the one on the left if you were sitting on the bike. Looks like this. The other box is a bit bigger than this one.
Alright guys, well hopefully that helped you out there. So if you're having any issues with a Honda Foreman, possibly any other model of this bike as well, let us know in the comments if this helped you out.